In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Google Calendar in Gohighlevel. If you want your appointments and scheduling to stay organized, connecting Google Calendar inside Gohighlevel is a really useful setup. It helps keep everything in one place and makes it easier to manage bookings without constantly switching between platforms. I'm going to walk you through the exact process in a simple, clear way so you can follow along on your own screen. Start by opening Gohighlevel and making sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want the calendar connection to live. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This side panel is where most of your navigation options are located, so that's where we'll begin. From that left side menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage your business configuration, connected tools, and other account level options. After the settings page opens, stay on the left-hand side again and look for integrations. Go ahead and click on integrations to view the services that can be connected to your Gohighlevel account. Once you're in the integration section, look for Google Calendar in the list of available integrations. Take a moment to find the correct option since this is the service we're going to connect. When you see Google Calendar, click on Manage. In some views, you may be asked to click Manage again to move into the specific calendar connection area, so if that appears, just select it once more. After that, you'll be taken to the Calendar Connections page. Here, click on Add New. This is where you can create a brand new calendar connection rather than editing an existing one. On the list of available calendar options, find Google Calendar. Once you see it, click Connect next to it. At this point, Google will prompt you to choose the email address you want to use for the connection. Select the correct Google account associated with the calendar you want to sync. Be careful to choose the right email, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts, because the calendar data will come from the account you pick here. After selecting your email address, continue through any permission prompts that Google displays so Gohighlevel can access and sync your calendar properly. Once that's done, your Google Calendar connection should be in place. And that's it. Your Google Calendar is now on its way to being synced with Gohighlevel. If you manage appointments regularly, this small setup can save time and reduce scheduling errors going forward.